Who's that pie for, honey? Who's the pie for?
Eyes.
The pie has eyes?
Yeah.
It kind of does.
And no cheeto.
Can you sing me the ABCs? And dance? Can you dance and sing the ABCs? Can you do that? Good dancing. Can you sing the ABCs too?
Baby. C, D, E, F, G.
H, I. H, I. J, K.
L, P, E,
Q,
R,
T,
P,
W,
R,
Y, N.
P. Now, tell me, let's come to me.
Yay! What book is that?
Judah.
You gonna read?
Yeah.
What are you doing?